Hello viewers, welcome to Storyforus.
The Frog and the Mouse. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a small frog named Freddie and a tiny mouse named Molly. Freddie was known for his adventurous spirit, and Molly was known for her cleverness. One sunny day, Freddie hopped over to Molly and said, "Molly, I want to see the world beyond this forest. Will you join me?" Molly, excited by the idea, replied, "Of course, Freddie. But how will we travel together? You can jump, and I can scurry." Freddie smiled and said, "I have an idea. Let's take turns. You can ride on my back while I leap, and when we reach a small stream or pond, I'll swim while you ride on a leaf boat." Molly loved the idea, and together they set off on their grand adventure. They hopped and scurried, swam and sailed, exploring beautiful meadows, sparkling lakes, and hidden caves. During their journey, they met other animals who marveled at their unlikely friendship. They saw birds singing in the trees, rabbits hopping through the fields, and even a wise old owl who shared stories of the forest's secrets. As the sun started to set, Molly and Freddie returned to their forest home, tired but filled with joy. They realized that their friendship made every moment unforgettable and that no obstacle was too big when they were together. From that day forward, Freddie and Molly became inseparable friends. They continued to explore the world around them, spreading happiness and showing everyone that true friendship knows no boundaries. And so, the story of Freddie the Frog and Molly the Mouse reminded everyone that with a little creativity and a lot of friendship, even the smallest creatures can embark on the biggest adventures.
Subscribe for more videos.